LightStik. The good old LightStik. This one is my favorite. I love this one here. What's really nice about the LightStik is that you can adjust it. That's the bar light right there. And then, of course, you get different levels of light that's brighter. And you push it again. The first one, you get a pointer. So if you're working on a car in a tight space, something mechanical, that's awesome. Or if you need just light everywhere, you turn that on and then you hit it again and it goes brighter. Has a narrow tip pendant light and a wide floodlight. This light has 2 light settings plus the top light. 2 hours high, so in the high mode you'll get 2 hours of light time. You get 5.5 hours in the low mode, 7 hours on the top. Your charge time on this is 4 hours, and that's the light bar.